Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2019 345 Conquest 60th Anniversary Edition. Let's start with the hull. It's the Abaco blue, which is an absolutely gorgeous blue color with the red pinstripe, and the lines on the boat are absolutely gorgeous. You just get a flared bow up front, so it's meant for taking deep water, and it rides really solid, very smooth ride. So you look up top, we can see it's got an enclosed cockpit area and helm station, rod holders, sure shade that automatically extends out. And as we move around towards the back of the boat, you're going to notice a few smaller things like the recessed cleats, really nice. As we move back, you're going to see we've got the recessed trim tab as well, so it's less drag underneath the bottom. So it's a nice system there with the underwater lights going all the way across the bottom. This is the backup light here, or the light that lets you know that the joystick, which this boat does have, is in motion. So that's what that's for. And then the boat is powered by triple Verado 350s. Incredible amount of horsepower here, over 1,000 horsepower. That's going to push this boat, give you a nice top end for basically a 35-foot boat, and all the power you're going to need. And let's hop up on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 340 Conquest. Let's start at the back of the boat. Plenty of room back here as far as if you're fishing. Really nice leaning post here. When you are fishing, you got rod holders, 3 rod holders in the back here. If you're not fishing, you can just take this. So it gives you a really large bed seat, and so you can put 4 adults comfortably here. So real comfortable seating here. We also have a bench seat for a 2-person on this side, and we also have a third one on the starboard side. So you've got 4, 6, 8 people comfortably sitting in the back if you're not fishing. But if you are, you've got the whole cockpit wide open. Then, as far as continuing the fishing, we've got a very large live well, conveniently located in the back of the boat. And then you've got the bolsters, you've got tow reels underneath to keep you safe when you're out fishing. And then as we move here, this is set up for forward facing when you're running, but if you when you're not running and you just want to be hanging out, all you need to do is just take this. Now you got a real comfortable seat here. And then here, you've got this particular one has a prep area here. And then you can also, it has a grill option. So sink, very comfortable setup. As far as cutting fish, cutting bait, everything right here, great way to do it. Trash, another storage, self-draining. You can ice that down, perfect for drinks. Remote control for the stereo, refrigerator with a freezer in it. Another prep area, another bar, kind of a bar sink setup right here with a pull-out faucet on it. And then we're going to slide this back. Now it's a forward-facing seat, and you've got a setup here where you can put 2 to 3 people actually can sit here. You've got a table that sits here, and you got people that can sit facing this way, so you can sit and have drinks and hors d'oeuvres. We do have air conditioning vents, so you're comfortable right here. And we can enclose this completely in to make it AC on a hot summer day, or if it's chilly, you can put the heat on in here. So it's nice to be able to enclose this in, and the AC works really well. Let's move over to the helm area. You're going to notice we've got a ton of room. You can put the large units, whether it's a Garmin or Raymarine or Simrad or whatever it may be. Plenty of room to put whatever you want up here. We've got the vessel view, which is the new version of it. It's all the information on the boat that you're going to need. It's a really nice feature of the boat. All my rockers are conveniently located right in front of me right here. Remote control for the stereo, trim tabs, and this boat is the joystick. Does 3 things very well. If I'm pulling into a slip and I just want to go sideways to pull into a lay along, I just go like this, and the boat's going to go sideways right into the slip. And when I go to leave, I go sideways back out. Even if it's windy, even if it's current, the more I push it, the more RPM I get. Gives me autopilot, which is called auto heading. It's a point and shoot, so you're going to point the boat in the direction you want to go. You're going to hit the button, and it's going to take you there. So going to Key West, it'll just take you right there. and you won't have to worry about driving the boat the whole way. And it has finally it's got the sky hook on it, so if I'm pulling into a marina and I'm getting a slip assignment, I can hit the sky hook and it's going to lock me in to about a 10-foot radius, and I can take my time going to get my lines and my fenders, and you know, running around the boat, not running back to the helm trying to get it repositioned again. It's just a real, as far as captaining a boat, does everything very, very well to make the captain more enjoyable driving it, docking it, or whatever. Get the digital throttle and shift, and let's move down to the salon area. So this is an automatic system right here. This is set up for dining, and if you got plenty of people, you can sit around here. You can put 6 people in here eating, playing cards. You've got a couch down there. You can put another 2 to 3 people comfortably. So the cabin actually holds quite a few people. If you when you set it up for the bed, you hit the switch. This goes down, and these cushions come in, and the sides go down. Makes a really large bed. Plenty of room for 2 people. Very comfortable. You've got a galley over here, so you're set up with the microwave, sink, another refrigerator, so this is your second refrigerator in here, and you have a hanging locker. And then we have the head area. So it's a large head with the vacuum flush, and it's got the handheld shower, which is it's really convenient for rinsing yourself off. It's got places to dry your towels and your bathing suits up there as well. So large head area with a mirror on the back of the door. And then finally underneath, you've got, it's a little dark down there, but it's 2 things. It's set up for for seating. You can the kids go back there. It does have a TV back there, so you can watch movies. The kids can play their games if you have them. You can play the games if you want. And then it'll also convert into a bed as well. So you can sleep another 2 people, another 2 adults very comfortably back there as well. So it does all that very well. So that kind of gives you a little bit in a nutshell. Skylights up top, another TV here, so you get 2 TVs down here. The boat does everything well. It's a big water boat. You can take this to the Bahamas, no problem, safely, comfortably, and hang out there for months if you wanted to. So it's a great boat. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman. My number is 603-213-1194.